Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Mitali, and in this video, I'll walk you through the most important rules you need to follow when creating a resume for jobs in Canada. I will break this down step by step, so whether you're a fresher, an experienced professional, or applying from outside Canada, this will help you to avoid common mistakes. So let's get started. If you're applying for jobs in Canada, your resume format should follow the KISS strategy. Keep it simple and straightforward. Your resume should look clean and easy to read, with the focus on content, not design. Always use a single column layout. Align your text to the left, stick to the standard section headings, and choose the clean and professional fonts. Avoid using tables, text boxes, two-column designs, icons, and graphics. And these are some examples of resume formats that are ideal for applying for jobs in Canada. In Canada, your experience level decide how long your resume should be. If you're a fresher, your resume should be up to 1 page. If you're a mid-level professional, you can go up to 1.5 to 2 pages. If you're a senior level professional, your resume should be up to 2 pages. Going beyond that is not recommended in Canada. In Canada, almost every company uses ATS system to scan and shortlist resumes. This means your resume is first read by a software, not a human. And if it's not optimized for ATS, you might not even get an interview call. So here's a quick ATS checklist you should follow. Simple and clean resume format. No fancy layout, photographs and graphics. Your resume is tailored to the job position you are applying for. Add relevant keywords from the JD. Most people write their resume using responsibility-oriented language. I did this, I helped with that, responsible for so and so. The problem, everyone else applying for the same job has done exactly the same work. To stand out in Canada, you need to use impact-oriented language. Mention what you did, how you did, and what result it created. This is one of the most important things that actually gets your resume shortlisted. When a recruiter in Canada reads your resume, they are not asking for what were you responsible for. They want to know what difference you make. That's why your work experience should be written like this. Start each bullet point with a strong action verb. Then mention what you did, how you did it, including the tools or techniques you used, and finally, the result it created. If you show your impact in numbers, your resume becomes 10x stronger. To get shortlisted in Canadian job market, your resume needs to speak the industry's language. Recruiters and ATS system in Canada scans for specific keywords and terminologies in your resume. And here's how you can do that. Take the job description for the role you're applying for, extract the important keywords and naturally add them in your resume. Mention them in your skills section and prove them in your work experience by showing how you use those skills. This will make your resume keyword optimized. Your resume isn't complete until it's saved and named correctly, especially applying for jobs in Canada. You can submit your resume in the form of PDF or Word document. Always use a clear file name like this. This looks professional and makes it easier for recruiters to find your name. And while it's optional, including a cover letter is always a good idea, especially applying for competitive roles in Canada. We have covered the 7 major rules for creating a resume for Canadian job market. Now, let's quickly go through the mistakes you must avoid while writing a resume for Canada. First, avoid adding your photograph. Second, do not add your personal information like marital status, age, or gender. Avoid colorful resume templates. Fourth, don't list every experience you ever had. Don't make your resume lengthy. Keep it focused and concise. Sixth and the last, skip the outdated sections like career objective, references, and declaration. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to someone who is applying to jobs in Canada. And if you're looking for a professionally written ATS-friendly resume, you can contact us on the number shown on the screen, or you can visit our website.